Okay, next. So use has which one has a single neutron? Wow, this sounds like bingo. You play bingo?
No, I don't play bingo.
You don't play bingo. This one is like I want to go. Alright. Are there any papers today? Were there any papers today?
No, I didn't have any papers today.
Okay, right. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, right? So the diagram shows two methods for collecting gas. So we have the one with the measuring cylinder and then another one with a gas jar. Now, if you look at the one on the right, this has got to be, the gas will basically go to the top. Okay, so likewise, the one on the left, the gas will go to the top. So for method number 2, it has to be less dense. Right, the gas has to be less dense. Correct? Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Can you hear?
Yeah.
Yeah, the right side must be less dense. Then the one on the left side must be insoluble. Okay, got to be insoluble in water. If not, it will dissolve inside. So if you look at the options available, property 1, insoluble, less dense, got to be B. Alright? I continue.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, next. So gas X is soluble in water. Its solution turns red, litmus blue. So if it's red, litmus blue, it must be an alkali. Which statement is correct? Gas X is soluble. What produce when dissolve? Warming ammonium nitrate with sodium hydroxide. Okay, so red become blue is an alkali.
Yeah.
The one which one is not? Which one is not correct? Okay, which gas is alkali? What's the gas that you learn of that is alkali? There's
Uh,
only
the mo ammonium.
ammonia gas.
Yeah.
Yeah, in the whole of chemistry, there's only one gas you learn that is alkali, right? So it's got to be ammonia gas. So we want to find which one is not correct. A green precipitate is obtained when aqueous ammonia is added 1 drop to aqueous iron 3. Iron 3. Now, will iron 3 give you green or is it red?
Reddish brown.
Huh? Red,
Red.
right? So
Brown.
this one's not correct, right? So answer is A.
Okay.
Must give reddish brown, right? But this one give green. So it's wrong. Next. Which atom is represented by the diagram? We count the number of protons. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. P equal 5, right? So look at the periodic table. I have it with me. Let me check. Periodic table number 5. It's boron. Okay, so boron. Now there are two boron, either this one or this one.
Yeah.
So is it 11 or 12?
Let's see.
Means you must count the number of neutrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So must be this one, right? Because 5 plus 7 equals to 12.
Okay.
Next, which statement describes the formation of covalent? So covalent is sharing, right?
Yeah.
Sharing, and it's non-metal, right? So it's B. Okay, covalent bond is non-metal. Remember, ionic bond is metal and non-metal.
Yeah.
So covalent bond is just non-metal. Okay. Okay, next. What is the total volume of gas remaining at the end of the experiment? Total volume of gas. So we have, this is 20 cm cube, 70. This one is water, no count. So we want the volume of gas. That means I want to find what is the volume of CO2. Okay, volume of CO2. Volume of CO2. Okay, so let's take a look here. This equation tells me that the ratio between ethene and oxygen, right, it's 1:3. Because it is 1 and this one is 3, correct?
Yeah.
So if I have 20 of this, do I need 70? Don't need, right? Because the ratio is 1:3. That means I only need 60 cube. Okay, what this means is there's extra oxygen in this whole experiment. Right? There's extra oxygen in this experiment. So what I want to do is I want to look at okay, I want to look at you see after reacting, right? If I take 70 minus 60, I'm left with 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, then after that 20, the ratio between this is 1:2. Okay, that means there's going to be 40 cm cube of carbon dioxide gas produced, right?
Yeah.
Because 1:2, right? So the question is, what is remaining at the end of the experiment? The remaining ones are this because it is produced and this because it's not used. Okay, so we look at the red color, it's 10 and 40. Answer is B, 50 cm cube. Is that alright? Hello?
But why is it 10 cm3? Why do you minus?
Oh, okay. You see, the ratio, okay, ethene versus oxygen, right, is 1:3. So I have 20 cm cube of this. I will need only 60 cm cube.
Yeah.
But they give us 70 of oxygen. What it means is 70 cm cube, I will use up 60 and I'm left with 10. There is a 10 extra that is not reacted. There's leftover 10. Okay?
So you calculate the difference, basically.
Yeah, I'm finding the leftover. So leftover 10 cm cube of oxygen. Carbon dioxide would have 40 because the ratio is here is 1:2. So I will have 40 cm cube here. Okay, so the question is what is left after the experiment? It's just 10 and 40.
50 lah.
50.
Okay.
Yeah, 50 is left. Okay, next. Okay, acid rain comes from sulfuric acid. So what is the concentration of sulfuric acid in the acid rain? Now this question is a mole concept question. To find the concentration of sulfuric acid in the acid rain, we must find out how many moles of sulfuric acid are there. Right? Do we know how many moles of sulfuric acid are there?
Yes.
Don't have. They never tell us. They only say that there's 25 cm cube acid rain and 28 cm cube of 0.5 mole per dm cube sodium hydroxide. Wow, are you okay? Are you alright?
Yeah, I have a fever.
You got fever?
Yeah.
Oh no, what happened?
I don't know. I think I might have caught it from someone.
In the exam?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh no, it didn't come here, so it's not from here.
Yeah.
So I think you should rest, try to rest, okay? Okay, never mind, I'll just go through, right? Now, first we find the mole of okay, find the mole of sodium hydroxide. Mole equals to, this is 0.028 times 0.5. How come? Because we had 28 cm cube or 0.5 mole per dm cube. First, I need to convert this to dm cube. The 28 cm cube must convert to dm cube. So I divide by 1000. Okay?
Yeah.
To get this number. So I times 0.5, I will end up with 0.014 mole. So for sodium hydroxide, here is 0.014 mole. Alright. Next, I want to find how much H2SO4 is there. So the ratio is 2:1. 2:1. That means this, the number of moles here is 0.007. Okay? Because it's half.
Okay.
It's half. It's 2:1 right here.
Yeah.
2:1. So it's half. So actually we should take this divided by 2. Right? We'll get this one.
Yeah.
Right? So 0.007 mole. So I have 0.007 mole of H2SO4. But it's in 25 cm cube of acid rain. So to find the concentration, I just take 0.007 divided by 0.025. Once again, I need to convert this to dm cube. So according to the calculator, get 0.28 mole per dm cube. Right? So answer is A. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. 4 different solids WXYZ dissolve in equal volume of water at 20 degrees Celsius. So which role describes the energy change when the solids are dissolved in water? 4 different solids WXYZ dissolved in equal volume of water. Okay, so we need to understand what is the meaning of endo and exo, right? Endo and exo. Exo means give off heat. Endo means take in.
Yeah.
Right? So solid which dissolve. Let's look at X. Okay, let's look at W. W they say is endothermic. Cannot be. It's wrong. Because if it's endothermic, the temperature will not increase. So this is actually exo. This one endo, exo. Okay, yeah. Because of the temperature increase. So let's look at option B. X is endo, yeah. Z is exo, yeah. This one correct. So it's B. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Next. Calcium carbonate react with hydrochloric acid. So this is an acid plus carbonate. We get salt, water, carbon dioxide gas. Which change will increase the speed of reaction? Okay, first one, decrease the temperature. When you decrease the temperature, will it increase the speed? No. If you decrease the volume, also no. Increase the concentration, this one, yes. Increase the size, no. So it's C. 8C. Right?
Yeah.
Okay, okay, no question, I'll just keep going.
Yeah.
Which change represents oxidation? Oh no, do you remember this? Redox reaction. The oxidation state should increase. So oxidation state increase. Anyway, for this, the answer is D. Yeah. Because oxidation state from 0 become 2+. So the oxidation state actually increase. Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, this one minus 1.
Yeah.
3 minus 1. Then this one, same. Okay? No, Cu2, This one also minus. 2 plus became 0. Right? Then here 0 become minus. So D is the only answer. Okay, next. Which statement about acid and base is not correct? So question 10, answer is the one not correct. So it's correct.
Hello?
Yeah, that's correct. A, acid plus metal will give you hydrogen gas. How about B? Acidic oxide are formed when metal react with oxygen. Is that true? How to get acidic oxide? Is it metal or non metal?
Acidic oxide is
it metal or non metal?
non-metal.
Yeah, so this one is the answer because they want not correct. This guy say metal. Alright, metal oxide will produce basic oxide. Are you okay? This then?
Yeah, that one okay.
Okay, why is calcium hydroxide added to soil? Is to increase the pH and neutralize acidity. 11C, right? Because calcium hydroxide is alkaline. Calcium hydroxide is alkaline, so it will increase pH and neutralize acidity, right? 12. Which property of group 1 decrease down the group? So 12 is A, the melting point decreases down the group. Gotta memorize this periodic table. Okay, reactivity series. Which reaction will occur? So we want to find out which one will replace something else. 13. Okay, most reactive is magnesium and so you see magnesium most reactive, right? So it will replace the zinc because zinc is less reactive.
Yeah.
Alright, so this one will occur. Alright, next. Which statement is not a reason for recycling iron? 14. Decrease the amount A. Recycling does not decrease the amount of natural resources. 15. Composition of dry air, this is memorized. C. Okay, so this is memory work for 15. Right? Next one. Common pollutants are shown. Which one cause erosion? This memorized as well. So the one that causes erosion is these two. So answer is 3. D. Which is correct for alkane and alkene? 17 is D. Okay? Do you remember the reactions for alkane, alkene?
Combustion,
Yeah.
substitution.
Substitution.
Yeah.
Then the other one is combustion
And
addition, right? Triple H.
polymerization.
Polymerization.
Yeah.
Well done. Which hydrocarbon are members of the same homologous series? So homologous series can be either alcohol, acid, alkali. Sorry, not alkali. Alkane or alkene. Okay, so this one is not. This one is not. This one is not. D. Why D? Because they follow the CnH2n plus 2 formula, right? You can use the formula for the different number of carbons and you will get the correct answer. Okay? So homologous, are you okay? Homologous series?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all same family, yeah? Same homologous means same family. So the section of addition polymer is shown. Which row describes the monomer used to make this polymer? Monomer is the individual block. Okay, so this is the individual block. You see that?
Yeah.
So we want to look at this individual block. What's so special about this? 19. Okay, which alkane and alkene undergo polymerization? Is it alkane or alkene? Okay. The polymerization, is it alkane? Does alkane undergo polymerization?
Alkene.
It should be alkene.
Alkene.
Okay, alkene undergoes polymerization. So alkene is unsaturated. You must remember, alkenes are unsaturated, whereas alkanes are saturated. Okay, alkene, unsaturated. So it's either C or D, 19. So anyway, it should be equals to. Okay, because it's an alkene, the answer is C. It will change from reddish brown to colorless, because if you add bromine, this is the halogenation. Okay, remember for alkene there's a triple H, right? Hydration, hydrogenation, and halogenation. Okay?
Yeah.
So bromine is a halogen. Next, which change cannot be achieved by a single chemical reaction? 20 is B, ethanol to propanol. Alright, so you're gonna because you must go through oxidation, then polymerization. Okay, 20 is quality. Right? Why? Because in your study of organic chemistry, right, is there a formula that change ethanol to propanol? Don't have, right? You only have
Oh.
you only have combustion, you only have polymerization. Okay, you also have alcohol change to acid.
Yeah.
There's and then you have ethene change to polyethylene, that's polymerization, glucose to ethanol, and carbon. This. Yeah, so don't have. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're done with MCQ. Yeah, that's pretty okay.
Yeah, it's not bad.
Complete the table. Okay, potassium, is it metal or not metal? Potassium. Potassium is a metal. Aluminium, metal. Formula of oxide, K2O. Al2O3. Let's look at the periodic table. So the acid. Now, metal acid, is it basic or amphoteric or acidic? Is basic, because non-metal is acidic. So metal must be basic. Okay, last one, aluminium is amphoteric. Right? Because hello.
Hello.
Okay. Yeah, are you able to solve this?
Yeah.
Yeah, took a while. Alrighty, what's
The
which
first
of
one
the
is B.
first one is what?
B.
B, yeah, that's correct. B is correct.
And the second one is E.
And
A.
yeah, that's right. Awesome. Next. Which one contain the same three food colorings? D and E. D and E. Okay, look at D.
D and E. Wait,
Yeah. 2, 3. See that? 3 of them same one. You're looking for 3 food colorings. Same 3 food. Huh? Can you see that?
Yeah.
The same 3 food coloring. Okay, next. Let's go. Okay, so we are supposed to determine whether something is an element, compound, or mixture. So let's look at this. Okay, so first, F, when a magnet is passed over, some of the powder is attracted to the magnet.
Yeah.
G is the only chemical form when hydrogen burns in oxygen. So this one is water. Okay, G is water. H resulted when cooling liquid H. So it's like that means it's a mixture. Right? It's not pure. I will not conduct electricity when solid but melts at a fixed temperature. Fixed temperature. So fixed temperature means it's a compound to become a conductor. Right. Next, all the atoms in a molecule of gas J are identical. All the atoms in a molecule are identical. So it's an element. Right. So we gotta figure out F. F is a mixture. Right. Why is F a mixture? Because some of the powder attract to magnet. Some attract to magnet. That means some don't attract. So it's a mixture. G is a compound. Right? H2O. G is a compound. So we put G is a compound. Now H is a mixture. Right? I is a compound. And the last one is an element. Okay? So we deduce that way. Next. Name a process which lets fuels such as petrol and diesel separate into petroleum. Fractional distillation. Right? Remember the pigeon kickdown lobby.
Okay.
Describe the process. Oh man. Okay, the pigeon kickdown lobby, right?
Yeah.
Pigeon kickdown lobby. So PGN kickdown lobby. Right? P is petroleum gas. G is gasoline, naphtha, kerosene, diesel, lubricating oil, bitumen. Okay, so describe the process. Basically, talk about the fractional distillation process. First, crude oil. What happens to crude oil? Crude oil is heated, right? Then all these different fractions will appear because they have different boiling point. Okay, due to the different boiling point. So the one with the less boiling point will appear here. Lower boiling point will appear at the top. The one at the bottom has the higher boiling point. Okay, so you gotta describe the whole thing. Right? Yeah, thanks. It's not too bad, thanks. Okay, so give the general formula of this. Now it has OH, it must be alcohol. Actually, they tell you it's alcohol. Right? So what's the general formula for alcohol? CnH2n plus 1 OH. This is the general formula. Right, memorize this. Name and give the chemical formula for the second member. So second member, remember, is a met at pep. Met at Herbert, right? This is 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am.
So second one, what must it be? At the north. Huh? At the north. Second one is E.
Okay.
Yeah? Because it's an alcohol, so must be OL. So what's the chemical formula? C2H5OH.
Okay.
Okay, when left exposed to air, this alcohol slowly oxidize. Give a name and draw the structural formula. So oxidize means add oxygen. Okay, so when you add oxygen, it becomes
No.
ethanoic acid.
Uh,
Right? So what's the full structural formula? I'm going to draw the thing. Do you remember all this? 1, 2, 3.
yeah.
You don't remember? It's okay. Why? It won't come out already.
Huh? It won't come out already.
It won't come out already. Last year came out.
True.
So what are we going through? Is to familiarize, right? So that you familiar. Oh, this one acid. I mean the alcohol. You add some oxygen become acid. Okay.
Yeah.
And then you also recap. Number 2 is what? E. Alright? Because you do you remember this? All this stuff? Organic chem?
I remember the alcohol. No, I don't remember the ethanoic acid part.
Okay, so you're safe. It won't come out. Okay, next. So use has which one has a single neutron? Wow, this. Sounds look like bingo. You play bingo?
No, I don't play bingo.
You don't play bingo. This one is like, you choose a number and then see you're lucky or not. Just kidding, okay? Which one has a single neutron? Okay, so this neutron number, proton number, neutron number is the same as neutron plus proton. Okay? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah, neutron plus proton is nuclear number. So if you want to find the number of neutron, you need to take this minus this. Nucleon minus proton. So the answer is actually K. It's the first one.
Okay.
Because you minus 3 minus 2 equals to 1. That means there's 1 neutron. Next, which one is placed in group 5 of the periodic table? How do we know if it is group 5? Group 5 must look at proton number. Right, group 5, that means it's 2, 5. Okay, the formula is 2, 5. So 2 plus 5 equals to 7, right? So 7, so it's N. Next one, electronic structure 2.8. So noble gas. 2.8
Yeah.
is 10. 10 is this guy, right? So it's O. Will form ionic compound with chlorine. Now, ionic compound means metal plus non-metal. Right, so chlorine is a non-metal. I need to find a metal. Which one is a metal? So there are many possibilities. Right, so L also can. M also can.
Okay.
P also can. Right, as long as you choose a metal. Which one is an ion with a single negative charge? That means a negative 1. Now if it's negative 1, Q, because it's 287 structural formula, I mean electronic configuration 287 means must add one more electron, so it's a single negative charge. Which are both isotopes of the same element? Now the word same element means proton number is the same. So just go look at which one has the same proton number. Same proton number, right? Only got 2 of them. So it's L and M. Okay?
Yeah.
Next. Wow, you need to sleep.
I slept like most of the day already. Yeah.
Okay, this is a repetition. What's the general formula for alcohol?
General formula CnH 2 and CH2n
Plus 1 OH.
plus 1.
Yeah, this one repeat. Okay, what is the second member? Ethanol. chemical formula C2H5OH. Okay, so alcohol plus oxygen, what do you get?
Alcohol.
Acid, right?
Yeah.
Ethanoic acid.
That's it.
Okay, so then draw again. I don't know why I take 2 times. Next. Alright, your favorite.
Ah.
You're the expert, eh? This expert. Okay, what is RSTUV?
Dilute hydrochloric acid.
Powder R plus to form S and T. Okay, so acid plus metal, what do we get?
Metal.
Oh.
Salt plus hydrogen gas.
So one is salt, this one is a hydrogen gas, right?
Yeah.
So S is H2. Okay, T is a salt. So I don't know what salt is it. So pop sound to confirm. S is hydrogen. So let's write down. S is hydrogen gas. Okay, next. Now green color. What is green color? Iron 2 or iron 3?
Green color is iron 2.
Yeah, Fe2 plus, right? So green
Yeah.
versus B must be iron oxide, correct? Iron hydroxide, sorry, because it's plus hydroxide. So V is iron 2 hydroxide. Okay, let's continue. So that means the powdered metal must be iron something. Right, this must be iron.
Yeah.
Right, so R is iron because iron was produced. So a green solution. So iron plus acid. Iron chloride, right?
This is iron chloride.
Yeah, this FeCl2. So T is iron chloride. And what else? Okay, so iron chloride plus equals silver nitrate will get a white precipitate.
Yeah.
This is the chloride test, right? What is this white color precipitate? Silver chloride, right? So U is silver chloride. Hey, it wasn't too bad. This is fine. Okay, because even I also can do. Right. Right, a balanced chemical equation for any one of the reactions included. So just choose one. Which one you want to choose? Maybe you can choose one. Acid plus metal, right?
Yeah.
So acid, what acid is it? Hydrochloric acid. So Fe plus HCl will get FeCl2 plus H2. So you gotta put a 2 here, right? To balance the whole thing.
Yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Are you running nose now? Running nose.
Yeah, running nose, sore throat.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Some indigestion tablets reduce carbonate ion in this tablet hydrogen to form. Okay, so this is acid plus carbonate. So acid plus carbonate. Now they want ionic equation. So do you know ionic equation? Let me write down. Right, because it's a carbonate. I don't know what carbonate is it, but CO3 2 minus plus H plus. Because acid is H plus. Will be H2O plus CO2. Right, so that's the ionic equation. 2 H plus. This one okay or not? Okay, never mind. Continue. Okay, I will just continue. You know you talk. So 100. Wow, this fella eat 100. No. Oh no lah, never eat lah. Just say 100 has 1 mole of carbonate ion. Calculate how many moles of hydrogen ions are present in 500 cm cube. Okay, so there are 500 cm cube of 0.08 mole per dm cube. So 1 dm cube has 0.08. How about 500 cm cube? So first, it's just 0 divided by 2. Divided by 2, 0.04 mole. Just try to get well sooner. Alright, can you see the whiteboard?
Yeah.
Okay, so we look at section B. So describe how you would distinguish between an acidic and an alkaline. So to check difference between acidic and alkaline, we will use the universal indicator. So the universal indicator will give different colors if it is acidic. So acidic will be red, of course, and then alkaline will be blue or indigo, right? So it's 2 marks. So what you can do is you can suggest others like litmus paper as well, right? So litmus paper. So the litmus paper, okay, litmus paper test. If it's acidic, it will turn blue to red, and then if it's alkaline, it will turn red to blue. Right, so that's just the difference. Between acid and alkaline, you don't have to spend too much time about that. Next, when mixed with water, one is alkaline, the other is acidic. So we know ammonia is alkaline, and this HCl is acidic. Okay, so the question is why? Now, for something to be alkaline, there has to be the OH minus ion. Then acidic is the H plus ion. So we just say that when it's dissolved in water, so there's when mixed with water, when ammonia mixed with water, it releases the OH ion, which is alkaline. If HCl is with water, releases the H plus ion, which is acidic. Okay? Just remember, OH is always alkaline, H plus is acidic. So these two can neutralize, write an ionic equation. Now neutralization ionic equation is always the same. It's always H plus OH minus to give H2O. Right? So this is the neutralization reaction that you have to memorize. This is the one. Next one. Okay, most chemical reactions occur very quickly and complete within seconds. Give an example of such a reaction, Rabin's chemical equation. So this is another question, right? So you can give many examples. There are many examples you can give. For example, combustion, right? So let's say burning something. Okay, the example given is 2H2 plus O2. You get 2H2O. So this is burning of hydrogen to produce water, right? So that's a balanced chemical equation. Next one, many other chemical equation takes days. So example is rusting, fermentation, right? Rusting and fermentation. Pieces of calcium react with acid to produce a gas. This reaction completes in 5 minutes. This is the measurement you will make to determine the speed. So if you want to find the speed, you can measure the volume of gas produced using a gas syringe. and stop. Alright, so we want to measure the time as well. So draw a graph that will show how the speed of reaction changes. So the speed will be very fast at first, going up, and then after that we'll just stop after all of it has been used up. How much? Okay, after all the this is the volume of gas. This is time. Okay, as time passes by, the volume of gas will decrease.